Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Tricks YouTube cooking channel. सगळ्यांक तुमका येवकार दिता माझ्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुम्ही बरी आसतली साऊथ आणि भलायकीन. Hope you all are all doing well. And today, now, I'm going to show you beef chili fry with kale. And kale is very healthy vegetable. If you Google it, and you will come to know the benefits out of this. So these are our homegrown, so we are going to make most use out of this. I am making a nice saute with beef, and this is again our homegrown chili. I'll be using other chili also, and this is like I will say 100 grams of beef roast. My recipe, I will share you the link of this, how you can make beef roast and keep, and then you can make use out of it to make curry, or you can eat like that also, or you can make chili fry. There are lots of dishes what you can make. You can make mince, fine mince, like a paste, grind it, lots of dishes. So आज हांव तुमकां दाखयता बिफाची चिली फ्राय. पूण हांव ही केल जी भाजी आसा आनी आतां मार्केटान मेवता पूण तेजो उपयोग करपाची आसा. ही पूण आमच्या गार्डनान रोयलेली, आनी ही पूण मिरसांग आमच्या गार्डनान रोयलेली. सो गार्डनान रोयात आनी मागीर तेजे फल खायात, आनी ती कितली उमेद येता. me and my husband loves this. And let's start. So we need 1 potato, 1 onion, 1 tomato, and this is like few pieces. If you want to add more, you can add more beef chunks. Okay, if this is enough, then that's fine, but I'm going to cut more finer pieces. Let's start. So here it is, finely chopped. So it is like 10 to 12 leaves. You can get it in supermarket also, this kale. Okay, if you are not growing it at home. Then this also I have chopped it fine. And let's start. So we'll add 1 teaspoon of oil. So my beef has got all flavor. If you want to add at this point your whole spices for your beef chili fry, then you can do that. And onion and tomato together. Fry this nicely. Potato. And the meat which is cooked, roast meat. I'm adding this, so all this will get flavor. Medium flame. Add salt to taste. And our masalas like 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon normal little bit of spicy chili powder, and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then we will add our Goan King masala, that is Shakuti masala, 1 teaspoon. Recipe I will share it in the description box of this video. Please check that. Also, I will share you the roast meat, beef roast meat recipe in the description box. Please check. So now we'll cover this and cook this for 10 minutes actually, because potatoes has to get cooked. No water to be added. So I will just stir this. And now at this point we will add our kale leaves and the chilies. So I don't do with the stem. The chilies and the kale will go in this. Give a nice mix. With the oriental chili. And cover this and we'll cook this. We want actually potatoes to be cooked, which is almost getting cooked. Low flame, cover this and cook. And here is our dish ready to serve. So आमचे dish ready asa. It's a beef chili fry with kale, and try this recipe and do let me know how it is. Manta ki tumka soglang आवडतली आमची beef chili fry with kale. Thank you. Do our beef samosa. This is beef chili fry. And now we'll fry our samosa. So same way, hot oil, and then we have to fry this. Flip-flop it and golden brown, and your beef samosa is ready. Hope you all will all enjoy this samosa. So if you have everything ready, like your beef chili fry, prawns chili fry, or vegetable, then you can make samosas very quickly and easily. And if you don't have time to make this samosa patti, then you just buy the ready-made one. If you find it too hectic, then buy it at supermarket. You get samosa patti. Hope you all will enjoy this. Thank you so much. देव बरें करूं. आणि मानता की तुमका हे सगळे आवडटलो ह्यो पूण समोसा, बीफ समोसा, आणि एन्जॉय करात. Thank you. देव बरें करूं.